CSS. What is CSS and what does it do? Cascading style sheets is a language for describing the style of a HTML document. This can include the colors, layouts, fonts, and many others. It allows the user to adapt the presentation to different types of devices, such as the small screen, large screen, etc. CSS can be used alongside many other languages as well as HTML, such as any type of XML, which stands for Extensive Markup Language. Current versions of CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and CSS 3 is the latest version of CSS and is still compatible with earlier and previous versions of CSS. Features of CSS 3 involve rounded corners, which saves time and has less coding, border images, which allows to have a short border or a large border around any images, gradients, which reduces page load time, and shadows for text boxes and images. CSS 3 can also now split features into modules, unlike the previous versions. Some of the essential modules are selectors, box model, backgrounds and borders, 2D and 3D transformations, animations, and multiple column layout. The rule syntax. The syntax used for CSS is made up of a selector and declaration. Selector used to find the HTML element by their name, ID, etc. Declaration blocks can consist of multiple declarations separated by semicolons, and each declaration has a property, name, and a value which is separated by a colon, as shown in the image below. Benefits of using external style sheets. The external style sheet is a separate file and it needs to be specified with href attribute of link element. External style sheets can help to keep the website clean and also resulting in less web coding. This also helps to avoid using too much inline CSS, which can make pages look very cluttered. Having all these styles in one place makes things much easier and clearer. For example, if a style had to be changed, it would be easier to do this in the external style sheet as opposed to searching through multiple lines of CSS.